Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem on basic definite integration. Let us start with problem number 4. Integral 1 to 2 dx upon 3x minus 2. Let us consider this given integral as I. Therefore, I is equal to integral 1 to 2. We have 1 upon 3x minus 2 dx. Here also the type of integration is 1 upon linear. And we know that in integration, if we have 1 upon linear, we can directly compare with the standard formula integral 1 by x dx. That gives you log x. But here 3x minus 2 being a composite function, we will divide its derivative. Therefore, I will be equal to integral of 1 upon 3x minus 2 will give you log of 3x minus 2 divided by d by dx of 3x minus 2. Within limits we have 1 to 2. In the next step, log of 3x minus 2 divided by 3 as it is, derivative of x will be 1 minus derivative of 2 will be 0 from limits 1 to 2. Now I will be equal to log of 3x minus 2 divided by 3 within limits 1 to 2. In the next step, we can take these 3 constant outside the bracket. This will give you I is equal to 1 by 3 log of 3x minus 2 from limit 1 to 2. Now let us substitute the upper and lower limit as 2 and 1 in place of x. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 3. We have log of 3, the value of x will be 2 minus 2 minus the lower limit we have 3 into 1 minus 2. Therefore, I is equal to 1 by 3 log of 3 into 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 will give you 4 minus log of 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2 will give you 1. Now here you can see we have log 1, and since we know log 1 is equal to 0, therefore I will be 1 by 3 log 4 minus 0. Therefore I is equal to 1 by 3 log 4. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.